Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw a makeup kit.
Let's start drawing.
We start by drawing the makeup color palette, a rectangle. Then let's draw the space where the colors of the palette go. The mirror. This is a makeup kit that you can carry in your bag. Now let's draw the mascara. The lipstick. Finally, I draw a heart in the middle. And a nail polish. Finally, a brush. Fantastic!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, fuchsia. Then I use light violet, aqua blue, red, orange, yellow, light green, dark blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, then light blue, fuchsia, then light brown. Very good!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.